Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. Today we're taking a look at the amazing creator bundles that are currently available for limited time that you can actually go ahead and grab. And we've expanded the number of places where you'll be finding cool stuff, as this has come as a request from a lot of you guys. And starting off, we're looking at the folks at FlipNormal with the FlipBox. And this is a mega character reference FlipBox that comes with a ton of things. These comes with high quality professional references, which covers various things from lighting, expression, anatomy, and so on. This is super perfect for those who are looking for that very true to life sculpting references, painting, and also character design. It's worth mentioning that these comes with a ton of high resolution JPEG and PNG files, which is something that you can use across various DCC tools. It's worth mentioning that these comes in 3 different tiers. The 10 item tier, which ships with a ton of things, and of course we also have the 25 item tier. And these are very high quality stuff for anyone that is thinking about looking or finding nice references that they can use as guides for both character design, posing, and so much stuff. And FlipBox is currently going for an amazing discount, and 10% of whatever you pay for this gets donated to charity. So for those who are thinking about grabbing this is running out in a couple of days. Right here on ArtStation, Zara 3D does have an amazing clothes bundle. Now they do have lots of different kinds of clothing stuff that you can find here for both men and women across various volumes, and all of these are going for 37% discount. At the same time, if you're thinking about getting just women clothing, you can also come through and check this one out. Over 258 women clothing you can find here, and all of these are super amazing as well. Zara 3D has also put together another nice bundle that comes with 885 vectors, trims, and patterns that are both seamless and tileable. All of these are coming as 4K PNGs and as PSD files. And so if you like to grab this one, these are also available. So from clothing to trims and vector stuff, you can find them there. At the same time, George has a Christmas sale which is going on, and this is also pretty nice. So for those who are thinking about getting base and block out models that they can use for their sculpting, modeling, all of that stuff, all of these are right here. So from cute cartoon characters all the way to stylized characters to realistic characters down to IMM brushes, these are also right here. So George has also put together some nice ones too, so if you're into any of these, you can come through and grab them. Texari has also put together some nice cool texture stuff, so if you're thinking about nice cool texture scans that you can work with, or maybe you're also looking for alphas, there are some nice alphas that you can use for your clothing that is also here. I'm going to link these ones in the description for those who like to grab some of these things right here on ArtStation. And speaking about more stuff that you can grab, if you simply go over to Humble Bundle right now, you would notice that Humble Bundle has a good number of things. So the folks at Synth have also put together the Sci-Fi game development asset, which is also pretty nice. So if you like to grab this one, this comes with 8 items that cuts across various things, from the prototype pack all the way to the particles, the Sci-Fi city pack, down to some base locomotion animations that you can use for Unity, alongside some other impressive stuff that you can use for both Unreal Engine and Unity. These are now here. Also, they've included a $10 coupon code for anyone that would like to grab this. So all of these are right here, and you can come over to Humble Bundle and grab this right now. By default, this particular bundle and every single thing that you find here should be costing you about £481.66. But again, this is Humble Bundle, and you're getting this for about 26.61 to 31.61. At the same time, they've also got a nice new Extreme GameDev bundle, which comes with 34 different items that you can grab. So if you're looking for something a bit more realistic than the stylistic one that we just saw from the folks at Synth, then of course you can come through and check this one as well. And these are both for Unreal Engine users, Unity users, Godot users, and so on. So you can find amazing environments right here. And in addition to all of these, you'll be getting some nice plugins and tools, some asset packs, some vehicles, and a ton of other things. Additionally, you'd also be getting a 50% off on all products with the coupon code that they've also included right here. So if you like to grab this one as well, this is one of the best ones that you can get, as by default this should be costing about £2,057.80, but this is Humble Bundle, so you will be getting this for about 26.70, or you can go ahead and get this for 31.70. And just like we have with the folks at FlipNormal, a portion of whatever you use in purchasing this gets donated to charity. They've also got the Ultimate Survival Kit Pack, and this comes with 34 amazing items. So all of these are also super nice. So from environments to high quality 3D models that you can work with, all the way to some heavy vehicles. Some of the things that we talked about here, some of them we've seen before, while some are totally brand new. So you can come through and check this, imagine how much quality that these things have, and you'll be having access to all of them for about 26.98 to 31.98 pounds, against purchasing all of these individually for 1,040.96 pounds. So for game developers, this is an amazing steal, so simply go ahead and check it out. For those who are thinking about game development, they've got some game development stuff right here. If you're into audios and stuff like that, they've got some nice cool audio bundles which you can also find here. For those who are into video editing, then we've got some nice video editing stuff as well, which are pretty amazing. So we talked about Magix some time ago. So Magix X16 is also available. This is a nice video editor. You should definitely come through and check this one out if you're thinking about looking for a nice perpetual license based video editor that you can use. It's pretty simple to work with. This is right here on Humble Bundle. You can come through and check it out. At the same time, Movavi video and photo set is also available, and this is pretty much running out. So the 2025 version is also right here. So by default, for you to get all of the Movavi stuff, from the video editor down to various props and stuff that this comes with, plugins and all that amazing things that you can use to make nice video stuff, for you to get all of this should be costing you about 508 pounds, but Humble Bundle is offering you all of these for 31.22 pounds to 36.22 pounds. Again, whatever amount you use in purchasing any of this, a portion of this gets donated to charity. There is also more stuff within the software section for those who are into coding. So if you're thinking about learning more about Python, how to build and ship your products in 2026, there is a bundle right here. For those who are thinking about game development, there is a bundle. If you're thinking about cloud-based service stuff, maybe you want to get into COMPTIA, you want to get into Azure, cybersecurity, there is a whole bundle that covers all of that. So you can come through, check this one out and get going with them. So all of these are now here on Humble Bundle, and most of these are limited time offers, so simply come through and check them out while offer lasts. We do have some nice stuff that you'll be having access to if you're into Unreal Engine, and these are running from now till the 24th of March of 2026. So if you like to get any of these ones right here, you can come through and see these and grab them for yourself. And these ones on Fab are totally free, so you can simply come through and grab them if you work with Unreal Engine. So this is it. All of these packs and bundles are right here, and for anyone that would like to grab them, links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check them out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and until I see you guys in the next one, peace.